Have you ever wondered how compound interest works? But how can we ensure fairness when the scales look like this? It certainly raises some questions about market equity. When we look at how students manage their money, we often see these two archetypes: the meticulous planner and the spontaneous spender. As a student, investing early in high-growth companies like Tesla can significantly impact your financial future. Planning your next getaway, let's look at how smart savings can make that dream vacation a reality without breaking the bank. By investing in education, you're building the foundation for long-term financial success. These books are the first step. Balancing your student loans and monthly rent can be tricky, but with a solid plan, it is manageable. When we look at the data, the contrast is clear. It's crucial to acknowledge these differences for sound financial planning. This pattern is nothing new. Our data clearly shows this is a typical market correction, so there's no need for concern. Unfortunately, the recent inflation data means we have to reconsider our previous projections. It's a difficult situation. This simple concept, often learned early in life, is the foundation of a solid financial plan. Remember, as we've highlighted here, smart equals success when it comes to your investments. Just like climbing this ladder, improving your credit score takes steady effort, but the view from the top is worth it. Reaching your financial goals can feel just like this. We understand that navigating these complex systems can be confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Society sends many messages about wealth, but what does financial independence really look like? It's time to tune out the noise and focus on the facts. While the returns look promising, remember that diversification is key to managing risk. Understanding your finances is the first step toward building real wealth. Let's look at how these new regulations affect your portfolio. The problem we fail is clear. The fundamental scales of fairness are cracked. This imbalance affects everyone involved. Welcome to the channel. It's time to secure your financial future and invest better. Welcome. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance with clear, actionable advice. Understanding the global mechanisms is key to optimizing your financial strategy. When planning your finances, you might encounter bumps in the road. But with the right strategy, the path to growth is smooth and clear. When we look at these two paths, the choice becomes clear. The green option represents steady growth and is the one we should pursue for success. If we look at the historical data points, the pattern suggests a strong recovery phase, which aligns with our current financial strategy. While the returns look promising, we need to address this crucial warning. It's a risk many investors overlook. This chart highlights the unprecedented growth in the last quarter. If we look at the green bar here, the trend is clearly upward. As you can see from this data, the growth sector outperformed expectations in the last quarter. This diversification is key. Let's analyze the latest trends together. I'm interested to hear your perspective on the economic outlook for this quarter. Sweden's economic model, characterized by high innovation and a strong focus on exports, offers unique opportunities for investors in the coming year. We've helped over 6,000 people just like you secure their financial future this quarter alone. This quick assessment will help us understand your financial IQ and how we can help you grow it. This timeline highlights the 11-year performance, demonstrating steady returns for investors. We handle all the paperwork for you, ensuring everything is correctly filed and approved. It's that simple. As you can see from this chart, the returns have been consistent over the last 3 quarters. This indicates a stable investment strategy. And as these charts show, your income potential continues to rise steadily. That's a strong financial outlook. The recent market data shows a clear pattern of growth, validating the portfolio adjustments made in the last quarter. The data clearly shows a period of stabilization. This consolidation phase is healthy for the market and presents a unique opportunity. This number, the $55,000 in income, represents a steady growth in the second half of the fiscal year. As you can see, the intelligence line has seen a significant downturn this quarter. But what does this mean for the long-term outlook? You might think this approach is clever, but frankly, it's not the smartest way to handle your portfolio. While the headlines might seem concerning, remember that a diversified portfolio is built to handle these fluctuations. Stay calm. Basic intelligence achieved. And if you click this steering wheel icon, you'll be directed to our new auto loan management portal. In finance, we often encounter strategies that require what I like to call stupid grit. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down the basics of compound interest and how it can supercharge your savings over time. This icon represents the climb towards your financial goals. It might look challenging, but we'll guide you every step of the way. We need to be aware of the potential dangers in this volatile market. However, maintaining a persistent strategy is crucial for long-term success. Welcome. This chart clearly illustrates the impressive growth we've seen this quarter, a very encouraging sign for investors. The biggest mistake investors make is pulling out during a downturn, because as this shows, most people quit too soon, missing the recovery. As you can see here, smart financial planning enables you to consider early retirement options sooner. Analyzing the market data reveals a recurring pattern here. We should proceed with caution, but recognize the opportunity. The latest feedback shows we are performing well. We're right on track. As you can see, the Q3 growth figures are disappointing. We projected much higher returns, but the actual is this the most effective path forward? When we apply the stress factors, the model breaks down right here. Perhaps there's a better way to optimize the workflow. When faced with different investment paths, it's important to consider all options before making a decision. By consistently saving a small amount each month, your investments can grow significantly over time. As we turn the page to April, let's review the key financial indicators from the last month. The anticipated acceleration in growth has yet to materialize, maintaining a steady but unremarkable trajectory throughout the period. Understanding the derivatives market requires navigating these complex formulas. It's easy to get lost in the calculations. It's easy to get distracted by the noise. But the key to success is knowing when to simply block it out and stay focused on your long-term strategy. As you can see, the compounding effect starts slow but quickly accelerates, leading to significant growth over time. We projected significant growth, but this quarter's performance has exceeded all expectations, skyrocketing past the forecast. While waiting requires patience, as indicated by the clock, the long-term rewards, like this trophy, are worth it. Analysis paralysis is when we overthink a decision until we can't make one at all. But breaking down the options simplifies the process, helping you move forward. We're currently positioned between two distinct opportunities. Let's analyze the potential outcomes of each before proceeding. Take, for example, my friend's situation. By planning ahead, they managed to save thousands. By tracking your business expenses, even for equipment like this, you ensure everything is accounted for come tax season. While the initial numbers look promising, I have to question the sustainability of this growth. We need to consider the risks here. By investing just a small amount regularly, you can take advantage of compound interest and reach your financial goals faster. Our research indicates a strong upward trend here. This data confirms the strategy outlined in the report, ensuring stable growth. This shows how effectively we are gaining new customers, resulting in consistent upward growth and sustained success for your business. As you can see, we've broken down the budget into several key areas to optimize your financial planning. This empty storefront represents a blank canvas. But how can we turn this liability into an asset? I have an idea. We can't get stuck in the planning phase. True success comes from taking decisive action. It's time to take control of your investments. Let's look at the 3 key strategies for success. This is the core of emotional intelligence. It allows us to manage our reactions and make smarter, more rational financial choices. While raw intelligence matters, our model shows the true balance is 10% IQ to 90% EQ. As you can see, a successful negotiation benefits both parties involved, leading to a mutually beneficial agreement. We understand that financial planning can seem complex, but with the right strategy, we can turn those potential risks into guaranteed successes. We can see here that while some are optimistic, others are clearly worried. Navigating these emotions is essential for financial planning. By following these logical steps, you can see how the portfolio growth remains consistent. It's about making smart choices for the future. Hello and welcome! The market saw incredible gains, but inflation is a real concern. Still, we are well positioned for the future. We often hesitate because of the fear of looking stupid. But when it comes to your finances, there are no stupid questions. We call this the perfection shield. It safeguards your investments, ensuring peace of mind no matter the market conditions. We look for steady growth, and by diversifying your investments, you can achieve a healthy return on your capital. While the allure of prestige is tempting, our focus remains on reliable, low-cost strategies for long-term success. Boring assets like these may not be exciting, but they provide consistent, reliable growth for your future. Choosing the right financial path means prioritizing results over mere appearance. As you can see, the choice is clear. Let's break down the basics of investing. Understanding these simple concepts is the first step towards financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom unlocks a world of possibilities. Let us show you how easy it can be to secure your future today. With the right strategy, it's easier than ever to invest better.